Welcome back to the channel. Today, we go inside a modern potato processing factory to explore how raw potatoes are transformed into perfectly frozen.
Potatoes begin their journey far from the factory floor. Vast fields supply the raw material for one of the world's most consumed foods.
Harvesting machines carefully extract potatoes from the earth. Each one must remain intact for processing.
Within minutes, thousands of potatoes are collected and transferred. Efficiency at this stage sets the pace for everything that follows.
The journey continues from farmland to processing facility. Distance is only the first step in transformation.
At facilities like Golden Harvest Foods Factory, raw crops enter a controlled industrial system.
Potatoes are unloaded into intake systems designed for high-volume handling. The process is continuous and precisely managed.
Initial separation removes loose soil and debris. Clean input is essential for consistent processing.
Multiple supply lines converge into a single controlled flow. This ensures uniform distribution across the system.
Manual inspection adds a critical layer of quality control. Imperfect potatoes are removed before processing begins.
The next stage prepares the potatoes for transformation. But before that can happen, they must be thoroughly cleaned.
High-pressure water begins removing all remaining soil. Clean surfaces are essential before any cutting can occur.
The rotating motion ensures every surface is reached. Uniform cleaning prevents contamination in later stages.
After washing, excess water is removed. Dry surfaces allow better handling in the next stage.
Optical systems scan every potato for defects. Automation increases both speed and accuracy. Air jets remove any imperfect pieces instantly. Only suitable potatoes continue forward. The system regulates flow before cutting begins. Balanced input prevents overload and ensures stability. Controlled release maintains consistent processing speed. Every stage depends on precise timing.
Cutting machines transform whole potatoes into uniform shapes. Precision here defines the final product.
Each cut is engineered for consistency. Uniform size ensures even cooking later.
The next stage prepares the fries for cooking and preservation. Temperature control now becomes critical.
Cut fries enter the blanching stage. Heat begins altering their internal structure. Blanching removes excess starch from the surface. This step improves texture and color during frying.
After blanching, moisture is reduced again. Controlled drying prepares the fries for the next stage.
Airflow removes remaining surface moisture. Drying ensures efficient frying and prevents oil splatter.
The frying process begins instantly upon contact with hot oil. This is where texture and flavor start to develop. Oil temperature is precisely controlled for uniform cooking. Each fry must cook at the same rate.
Industrial fryers operate continuously at high capacity. The system is designed for both speed and stability.
As fries exit the oil, their structure is set. The surface begins to develop a crisp layer.
Excess oil is removed immediately after frying. This step ensures consistent texture and reduces waste.
Cooling stabilizes the fries after frying. Temperature must drop evenly before freezing. The next phase locks in quality and extends shelf life. Freezing will preserve the fries in their finished form.
Fries move directly into rapid freezing systems. Temperature drops instantly to preserve texture and structure.
Cold air flows evenly across every surface. Rapid freezing prevents ice crystals from damaging the structure. Multi-level conveyors increase processing capacity. Large volumes are frozen within a compact system. Freezing stabilizes each fry at the molecular level. This step locks in both texture and flavor.
Once frozen, the fries become stable for handling. Their shape and quality are now preserved.
Inspection continues even after freezing. Consistency is verified at every stage. Grading systems separate fries by size and quality. Uniformity is critical for packaging standards. Multiple lines ensure efficient classification. Each batch is processed with identical precision.
At this stage, the fries meet strict dimensional standards. Precision defines the final product quality. Optical inspection adds another layer of accuracy. Advanced sensors detect even minor imperfections. Defective pieces are removed instantly. Only consistent, high-quality fries remain in the flow.
The fries are now refined and standardized. The next stage will focus on final quality checks and packaging preparation. Frozen fries are temporarily stored under controlled conditions. Stability must be maintained before final inspection.
Accurate portioning begins at this stage. Each batch must meet strict weight specifications. Multi-head weighers distribute fries evenly. Precision reduces variation between packages.
High-speed systems maintain efficiency without compromising accuracy. Every second counts in large-scale production.
Safety checks are critical before packaging. Metal detection systems eliminate any potential contamination.
Dimensional checks confirm uniform cutting. Consistency ensures predictable cooking results for consumers.
Once approved, the fries rejoin the main flow. The process now moves toward final packaging. Packaging systems are synchronized for continuous operation. Each unit is prepared for rapid filling. The process is nearing completion. Packaging will seal and protect the product for distribution.
Measured portions are transferred directly into packaging. Accuracy is maintained at every step.
Each package is standardized for consistency. Uniform packaging ensures efficient handling.
Multiple lines run continuously to meet demand. High output is achieved without interruption. Robotic systems handle bulk packing with precision. Each box is filled in a consistent pattern.
Count is correct. Everything is lined up.
Boxes are sealed for secure transport. Protection continues beyond the product itself. Palletizing systems organize boxes for storage. Structured stacking maximizes space and stability. Wrapping secures the entire load. Stability is essential during transportation.
Finished products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses. Cold storage preserves quality until shipment.
Bring it back slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Affirmative. Is this pallet secure?
Yes, lock it in. We need the next shipment ready by 11.
From raw potatoes to frozen fries, the process is complete. What begins in the field ends as a ready product for kitchens worldwide.